President Bongbong Marcos admits that some may be disappointed with government. Here is the report.
On the first episode of his podcast, the president said he would rather work together with political opponents, including the Dutertes, than quote, prolonged division that distracts from governance. The chief executive also said he values stability and friendship over conflict.
Oo. Ako, ayoko ng gulo. Gusto ko makasundo sa lahat ng tao. Mas maganda, marami na akong kaaway. Hindi ko kailangan ng kaaway. Kailangan ko kaibigan. Ang habol ko ay yung stability, peaceful, para magawa namin yung trabaho namin. Kaya ako, laging akong bukas sa ganyan.
President Marcos added that he does not need to see eye to eye with critics and allies alike. If there's disagreement over policy matters, he believes this should not prevent dialogue or cooperation.
Laging akong bukas sa ganyan. I'm always open to any approach na, alika, magtulungan tayo. Diba? Kahit hindi tayo magkasundo sa polisiya, hindi tayo magkasundo. Gawin nyo yung trabaho, pero wag na tayong nanggugulo. Wag na natin, tanggalin natin yung gulo.
The president likewise vowed not to meddle in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte.
Pabayaan natin ang proseso. Ako, basta ang nasa isip ko, tapos ng eleksyon, balik sa trabaho. Gawin na natin lahat with the new lessons learned.
The chief executive also shared his learnings from the recent midterm elections. He admitted to the realization that some may be disappointed over the government.
Disappointed ang tao sa serbisyo ng gobyerno. Hindi nila nararamdaman at masyadong mabagal ang galaw ng pagbubuo ng mga project na hindi pa nila maramdaman.
Still, Marcos assured the Filipino people that his administration is listening to their calls.